What's up, everybody? My name is Jake. I'm with Lions Den Trades, and I want to give you a top-down analysis on Bitcoin and what I see possibly happening in the next, week to few weeks. So we are still in this bear flag pattern. We are definitely at resistance. We have a topping tail candle, and we are very close to the 200 simple moving average. So here's the thing. Bitcoin hasn't seen that moving average in a while. It typically likes to reject first and then possibly retest it. But, the fact that we're still in this bear flag pattern, we are extremely overextended by about 37, 38% on this move alone. There's a huge chance that we reject from here. The daily topping tail candle is a big bearish signal to me. We've got multiple divergences playing out on the daily, and we have them on the 4 hour. So yeah, money flows starting to curve, come down. I could see us making a drop down all the way down to this channel, right? So the thing is, guys, we've made higher highs and higher lows. So the first test is probably going to be a nice, pivot, possible rebound. But on the bigger time frame, the macro, you are in a bear flag, and we have touched it multiple times and almost hit the 200 simple moving average. There's a lot of reasons why I personally think we're going down from here. Now, we could get a possible retest of the 786-618 golden pocket somewhere up in here. But most likely you're going to make a lower low, and we're going to start back into the bear cycle, kind of like we've been doing. Anything can happen. I'm not saying we can't go up and touch this moving average, or come back up and hit the 84 to 86K level. It's possible for sure. But I'm more cautious now, and I've de-risked out of my longs, and looking for retests. I'm short now, so I will stay short until I see signs of any reversal or liquidity entering the market. Now, if we go here on CoinGlass, we had about 23 million in spot orders from Coinbase alone, which is pretty heavy buying. However, if we look down here, the 76,000 and 75,000, we got 10 million plus orders sitting down here. 9.7 million, 10.7 million. We got some big orders down here. So you got a lot of reason for the market makers to come down and grab that liquidity, on top of the fact that we're in multiple bearish divergences and we are overextended. So I would just say, be safe, trade safe, guys. Use smaller amounts of capital, low leverage, and wait for this pattern to play out before you make a decision. A safer entry, if you want to get into a long, what I'm personally waiting for is the retest of the golden pocket. So pull our fib from our low to our high, coming somewhere around that 78 to possible $76,000 region. So personally, I'll be waiting for longs down in that area, and then I will go from there. Another thing you can look at is this downtrend on the macro is a great place for a retest. So you could even wait till we get down here somewhere at the $72,000 to $70,000 level for a safer retest. But I am short. Be safe, guys. We could get some retests back up to the golden pocket, but I would flip short personally. I already have, but just, some wisdom for you guys is be patient. Just wait for the trades to come to you. Anyways, guys, take care. Have a good one. I'll talk to you soon.